morning routine, night routine. Let's discover today what's the main difference between each one, how to make each one a simple one that is tailored to your skin, to what you enjoy and how much time you have. Just like always, make it yours. So, hello and welcome if you're new here. My name is Nirit and my goal is to help you make skincare a beautiful act of self-love and self-care. Make it easy, make it fun, make it something you love to do for yourself and is actually effective. So, when it comes to glowing and healthy skin, we sometimes wonder, is my morning routine more important than my evening routine or the other way around? Is there only one routine that I should really do and the rest is extra? The truth is, both are important in the same way, but they serve different purposes and they have different general idea behind them. So we start with the morning routine. The idea of the morning routine is protection of your skin for the day ahead. It's all about preparing your skin for the outside world. Think of it like putting an invisible shield to protect you from pollution, UV rays, and stress that can affect your skin throughout the day. It's like getting dressed, putting your beautiful clothes that you feel beautiful and comfortable, and protecting your skin and whatever needs to be protected. The essential of a morning routine is optional, gentle cleansing. This is optional because if you have dry skin or if you had this pampering beautiful night routine that you don't want to wash it off, you don't have to cleanse in the morning. I have drier skin. I don't cleanse with a soap in the morning. I just use some water and refreshing essence, but that's later. Unless I feel that I was, sweating at night or my skin got super oily at night, I will cleanse. But this is optional. The next step is some kind of hydration. Let's say refreshing, like you wake up, you want to refresh. So I like to use refreshing essence, toners. I will talk more specifically in a minute. So hydrating, which is more like the light watery products, let's say, and some kind of moisture. It can be moisturizing serum. I will say a cream if you only use one moisturizer. So hydration, moisturizer, and of course the king and the queen of the show, your SPF, non-negotiable protection for sun damages, because I repeat it again, 90% of all skin damages, and I'm not even talking skin cancer, is caused by the UV lights. So some recommendation, some beautiful and easy combination. The floral toner essence of Pure, I don't have it here, but it looks like this. It's a very light flower water essence that will refresh and hydrate your skin, but you can choose other kind of refreshing, they call toner, but it's almost between a very light serum and water to hydrate and refresh. And then your favorite day cream. For example, I love the Ultra Rich because again my skin is dry, so there is a nice rich moisture for the skin. It's very nice. It's not heavy, but it's rich enough. And the SPF. So hydrating, moisturizing, SPF. I'm just gonna show two of my favorite SPF. One of them is the Isn't-Tree Hyaluronic Acid Watery Gel. I like it because it's, let's say I'm super lazy and I don't feel like putting a moisturizing. This has moisturizer ingredients as well. There's no white cast, it's light, it's gorgeous under makeup, it's glow, I love it, and I can easily reapply it. The second one is Numbuzin, I hope I say it right. Number 1, Clear Filter Sun Essence. Now this is almost finished, so I hope I can, oh yeah. It's also super light, same thing, even maybe a little bit lighter. Gorgeous under makeup, no white cast, no bullshit, and I can easily reapply it over my makeup, either with my fingers or with a beauty blender. I will link everything down below in the description box for you. So let's move on to the evening skincare. The evening skincare is about deep repair and renewal of the skin. It's about the rituals of the evening. I see them as like healing. While you sleep, your skin enters its natural like regeneration cycle, restoration cycle. Nighttime skincare should support this process, help to repair all the day's stress and everything that happened during the day. We can use more nourishing products, like heavier products during the night. The essential of the night routine is double cleansing. We want to remove everything, and I didn't find any cleanser that can totally remove makeup and SPF with the cleansing. That's why I support double cleansing. So you use either cleansing oil or cleansing balm, and the first stage to melt away your makeup and SPF. And then you're going to use a cleanser that is suitable for your skin to remove this oil cleanser and to remove what left on your skin. That was essential number 1. And then targeted serum, which for drier skin you want to go maybe on something more nourishing and deeper. And if you have more acne prone skin, you might want to use more treatment kind of serum. And the last thing will be moisturizer, again cream. And some of my recommendations. So I will use as a double cleanse, I use the makeup remover, which is an oil, and I'm not gonna do it right now, but I just put a little bit. You can put a cotton pad or your hand, massage it, and rinse it off. And then a gentle cleanser for your own skin. That's number 1. Second, a targeted serum. For me, I love the night serum because, again, my skin is dry, and I love the deep, heavy barrier repair. Repairing again. Serums, it's heavier. It takes a little bit deeper to go in the skin, but I wake up with a very, very like supple and soft skin. And I end up again with the same cream I used in the morning, the Ultra Rich. So the night is removing the day away, cleansing it, and some treatment serum or nourishing serum and a moisturizer. I will again link below everything I use and recommend. So basically, sometimes people ask me if I have to choose one, or like what is the most minimal routine. I understand. I love skincare, and sometimes I take more time, but we don't have that all the time, and life can be busy. And if you think you need to choose what's more important, I will say don't choose. You want to do both, but you can do them super minimal. Just keep doing it, like persistent, and matters more than perfection. It's not about perfection, it's about keep doing. Even a simple 2-step ritual can be very powerful if you can stick to it. So the minimal one for the morning will be SPF. And if it's an SPF with already like great ingredients inside that will moisture your skin, there's a plus. But if you only want to use one, then SPF. And for the night, cleaning the day away and moisturizing. So we have one for the morning, the most minimal one, and two for the night. Now, I want to talk also about treatments that balance both, because you can have a beautiful routine, but I see treatments and facials like a boost, like giving you a step forward to all your skincare game. So in the salon, the holistic facial treatment combines best of both worlds in one session. Your skin gets all the cleaning it needs, deeply nourished and protected, and it giving you this the balance of protections and repair. So this is all just a reminder to you that skincare is not just about steps, but about creating moments of care and connection with yourself, and feeling that you actually do something for yourself out of love, that you love yourself enough to do it. Even the minimal one will take you a good way. Doesn't have to be involved any overwhelming. If you have any questions, if you have you wanna give out your tips and advice, what helps you stick with your morning and evening routine, comment down below, and please consider subscribing, and I see you next time.